In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots on a brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness the same way, but this time click on Done at the bottom right corner to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!